In this video, we will learn how to block a website in our computer, without installing any program. We will make this by editing our hosts file. The hosts file is a file that maps host names to IP addresses. First of all, open a notepad with administrator permission. This is important in order to be able to edit your hosts file. Then, let's search our hosts file. The default root on Windows operating system is C local disk, Windows, System 32, drivers, etc. You need to select Show All Files to select it. Then add a new line and enter the IP address 127.0.0.1. This is our local loopback address. Add a blank space and the website's domain name or address. In this opportunity, we will block Facebook's website. Save your hosts file. Now let's reload the website. As you can see, the web browser cannot reach the website. This is because instead of search the default website IP address in our DNS, the web browser is redirecting Facebook's domain name to our loopback address. If you want to access the website again, comment the line that have edited by adding a hash ahead of the line, or just delete this line and save your host file. Subscribe to continue learning networking and CCNA.